thank you for expressing your interest in our law firm, Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson plus Steve. Real excited. We have the applicant, Dan Carney. Please come here. Good, how are you? Good, how are you? Good. All right. All right, so let's just go over this real quick. We're really excited that you're here, applying for our law firm. That's great. You've got an impressive resume here. You got summa cum laude. Is that correct? That's you? Okay, cool. It also says you fucked a dog in high school. I'm sorry. We got a lot of jokers in our firm here. I think it actually means you fucked a cat, right? Look, if you can't own up to this, I don't want you in my firm. Well, it's an issue because you hesitated. That's not what we're looking for here. Please leave. Get out. You're done. Get over Dan Carney, everyone. All right, we have Olivia Gilmore, please come here. Go ahead and tell me a little about yourself.
Thanks, Olivia.
And why do you want to be part of this firm?
Because
Please speak quickly. Johnson, and Johnson Steve would like to hear.
Put me on the spot here, David.
It's an interview.
I just love accounting.
It's an intern spot, but that's great. It says here that you did, 2 years interning for William and Wallace firms. Is that true?
Yes.
All right, cool. I don't like you wearing shorts. That's fine. It said that, I don't care. It said that you were in an orgy with clowns while pretending to be a cat. Is that true?
Yeah, are you kink shaming?
No, I was about to say, I think I was there. It was a fun time. But the one thing I don't like is that you took it there, alright? We don't shame anyone at this firm, and I don't think you're a part of our organization. Please leave. Alright. Sir with the hat, would you please come up here? Come on. Hi, thanks for your interest in our firm. That's really great. My name's David. I'll be your interviewer today. Good. What's your name?
Ray.
All right, Ray. Glad you don't have a last name that makes it easy. You like Beyonce? We don't support her. But I like that you spoke from the hip. That's great. It's good. There's a lot more gusto, as you say, gravitas than our other applicants. They suck. But I'm glad you're here. You're dressed down. You've got pajama pants on. That's a real man right there. That's what we want in our firm. Now let's just get over your application real quick. Wow. 69 a boy, 13 in Boy Scouts. That's the kind of shit we like. 13 years old and getting active. I like it. All right. Also, you're a proud supporter of the Nazi Party. Is that true? He's fucking smart, this guy. He said maybe. Now, we don't discriminate political affiliation here. So just say maybe to everything. That's great. You're ready for the law firm. Just kidding, you're not done yet. I may have run into you there at the clown orgy. Is that true? How's it going? I'm trying to find out who the other clown was, though. That's too bad. All right, let's get another one here. I'm just making it up. I don't like improv at a comedy night. Here, hold this, please. All right, good. Keep that. That's good. Hey, that's what you get for applying here. That's good. It says you made sandwich at Hopkins Eatery. Get the fuck off the stage. All right, I think we got one more applicant for tonight. tonight. Ma'am, would you please come here? Yeah, take your time, it's cool. We're not trying to run a business here. Here at Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson plus Steve, we don't take our time. But the fact that you can think outside the box means something's good here. Can you tell me what this says? Doesn't say that at all. It is blank. You're dumb. I don't like your smile. But you know what? We don't want lawyers to have good smiles. We want snakes. What do snakes do? And it looks like you do a lot. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna shoot from the hip here. You're hired! What's your name anyway? Sabrina, everyone! Give it up for Sabrina! You want to offer a Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson & Johnson plus Steve. No, you're not a partner. Get out. That's fine.